What's up, everyone? We are back and we're going to take a look at West Luna and the Hammock at Fenney today. I've been gone for a while, so excuse some of my drone flying. I'm not as perfect as I was before. We will be doing some videos this upcoming week, back in the videos after taking a couple months off for getting school back going. Shoulder's doing great, you can see. Range of motion is good. Killed an Ironman while I was away. Just absolutely crushed it. Been doing a bunch of stuff. So hope you all enjoy the video, and let me know down in the comments what you think and what you'd like to see. So after not being out here for a while and just checking out the area, basically first time you see it for me, first time I've seen it in quite some time. Not much has changed over in this area other than they are bringing in a lot more of the water retention, I guess, or water, where they make the water run a certain way, all the piping, the drainage, and that type of deal. None of that was out here last time I was out here. This is actually West Luna area. Still have the little swampy area, which is going to be the wildlife preserve area right here in the middle. And you can see DeLuna, Coleman. This is just as the sun was about to go down. Now we're turning west. The industrial park and the motocross is out there in the background. The motocross is that blue building, industrial park behind it, and then you can see the water tower in the background as well. The Hammock at Fenney is also to the south of this, which we're going to take a look at in just a little bit. But I wanted to kind of get out here, fly the drone around for the first time in a long time, get the hang of that again, and then take a look at this area. Like I said, not much has changed over here. They are getting that, I believe, Marsh Bend Trail. You can see a little more cut out. And then this is the turnpike and the north side of the turnpike here. I will have some video on that later this week. The turnpike, obviously, this is around 7 o'clock at night. Traffic's starting to come back because of snowbirds. I should say the northerners. I know people don't like being called snowbirds, but the northerners are coming back. So there's quite a bit of traffic picking up in this area. I have noticed just on I-75, obviously, coming south is picking up a lot more. Usually October, November is when everybody starts coming down. But you can see they're pushing around a lot of dirt. This is where the Florida Turnpike and 301 meet, right here. And that's going to be a major exit probably in the near future when this area builds out. A lot of talk about the new charter school that they're putting south of here, which we will be taking a look at within the next week, where that's going to go. And that entire area, they've renamed some roads down there and they're calling them different names. So we'll take a look at that. Now this is the entrance off of 301 from what will be Marsh Bend Trail. I'm interested to see if they're going to actually keep this open or not. Because a lot of times they like to just wall off some areas and make it so that you can only enter and exit through one area. It kind of gives the public not as much access. So this now here is the Hammock at Fenney. Hammocks at Fenney. Tons of building going on over here. Red Fox, Gray Fox, golf course. Those are executive golf courses. And you can see the amount of houses that are built in here. Last time I did a video out here was probably 2 months ago. Nothing was out here. They had everything leveled and they were starting to put in some of the walls, but there was no houses going in. Now they have the recreation center, which you can see, and there's that water tower that you could see as well. And in the background, you can also see the industrial park just in front of that sunset there as the sun starts to peep behind the horizon. Horizon's a big word for me, so you can see the rec center here. This is just a village rec center, so not one of the bigger ones, but it's not a rec center per se. It's a recreation area for this Hammock at Fenney. You get the pool and then the shuffleboard, little putting greens and some cornhole or bag toss, whatever you want to call it. That's where you'll pick up your mail. And then this is just west of the Fenney Recreation Center, where they have the big, actual big recreation center with Fenney Grill, all of those places. And to the right here, this is Red Fox, Gray Fox, executive golf courses. You can see all the building going in here. I'm kind of surprised they have some frame homes over here, it looks like. So I'm not sure if they're pouring those in, or last time I took a look at the industrial park, they had already plastered walls that they were using or building out there to just snap together instead of using cinder blocks. So I'm not sure. I haven't taken a closer look at them homes yet, but I'm wondering if maybe they're starting to use those instead of actually putting the blocks up. I'd also be kind of interested to see how that has affected, because of the COVID and all the shipping issues. The Villages is pretty set up because of that industrial park and where the train comes in. Kind of a quick video to get going again. We will be taking a look at a couple more places over the next week, especially south of the Brownwood Square and a couple other places. And as always, I will see you in the next one.
Hey Daddy, how you feeling today?
Pretty good.
You're feeling pretty good? Look, there's your baby.
Legs are feeling good.
He's
Hi, baby.
he just hit the 2-mile mark a while ago, so you keep increasing time on him.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to keep increasing.
All right. I love you.
I love you.
Have fun. We'll see you when you turn around.
Okay.